Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo X200 EF or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down and look for password and security, tap on it. Then select face from here, tap on it. Then you have to enter your phone password, and after that you'll get setting of this time. You have to add your face from here, just haven't started, and you have to enter your face here. Just wait for the process. So after the completion of the process, you just have to tap on OK. So here you can see there are some settings which you have to enable. Here's the unlock setting. If you want to use your face setup for your unlock, you just have to enable the setting. Here's the privacy and app encryption. If you're using any app or app log, you have to enable this setting. So there's an on setting which stay on lock screen after unlocking. If you have enabled the settings, your lock screen will be enabled after the screen will be unlocked. I suggest you have to disable the setting. So in this way you can easily set up your face unlock your Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.